welcome to my channel. It's Mem Sky. Guys, don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'll put the link down below. And most of all, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This
And ring the
video,
bell.
I'm gonna share with you how to do the $3 DIY face mask. So the bandana, the scarves, the black and the light blue bandana or scarves, whatever you call that. I bought that from a dollar store, $3. They are like for $1, two for $1. If you want to go ahead and check your nearest $3 store, you will find the bandana that comes with the two for $1. And the elastics, like the rubber band. I don't have the rubber band, but they're also in the dollar store. They have the longer one, the elastic one. If you wanna get that than this one that I have, I think that's fine. It's all up to you guys. And the coffee filter, I got it also from a $3. We gonna put the filter inside the bandana, just to make sure you're fully protected. So we're putting the filter because we're using the fabric cloth, and we're using the hair ties or any elastics that you have. If you have the headbands that you can use. Okay, so let's start making our own DIY facial mask for only $3 from a dollar store. This won't take long. For sure, for 5 minutes you already done, and you already have the DIY facial mask for $3, and it's washable, but not the filter. So guys, if you don't have the bandana or any scarves, you can also use old shirts or any fabric that available in your house. I think you can still use that. I see a lot of people using that. And if you're using the fabric cloth, just put filter, because fabric cloth is thin, and just for added protection, why not put filter in betweens. But it's all up to you guys how many filter you want to use, as long as breathable, as long as you can still breathe. Just letting you know, guys, that I'm not a professional, or I'm not health workers or the frontliners or any, I don't have any medical studies. I'm just sharing you guys my DIY face mask in case you have not gotten any N95 face mask to protect yourself if you're going out to the store. Because I think it is very important that you have to wear a face mask wherever you go at this time, just to stay safe and protect your loved ones. Sure the filters stay in the middle, and then I attach the elastic one, the oops and oops. Okay, make sure you do not do that pulling hard, because you see what happened, it broke. So to make sure the filter stays in the middle, and you gotta use the two elastic one or two rubber bands or any two headbands, elastic, whatever you have, put into the both sides. Okay, so let's try. If it's too thick and too big on your face, you can always readjust, make some adjustment on your bandana to make it like thinner or make it smaller, or if you feel that is so wide that already covering your face, you can always do adjustment. You have to redo it again from the first step, like folding in between, and then make sure the filter stays on the middle. And I'm still adjusting right now because that's the problem of not having a pointed nose. It always there is nothing to hold on to my nose because my nose is not that pointed, and it's not pointed but it's not that flat, but I think it's kind of like a medium nose or whatever you call that. This is the first one I did. It looks big on me, like already covered my whole face, but it's because of the way that I set up the camera. But if you feel it's so big and covering your face, you can always readjust it, but make sure the filter is on the middle. So this is the first one. It looks big on me, it looks wide, but it covered all my mouth and my nose. But make sure the filter stays on the middle and you can still talk and breathe. And make sure you will still be able to talk loud and clear. So if you're going to the store, the people in the store, they can still hear you, understand loud and clear. If you can see, I added more hair ties because so I can just tie it at my back and it's not gonna, so I won't be able to lose it. This time I make it like a smaller, but it still looks like wider, but I already readjusted. But if you want to adjust it again, and if you feel like it's still wide or covering the whole face, you can always do that, readjust and adjust until you get the size that you want. Video would like to say thank you again. It's Ma'am Sky. Bye.